In today's video, I'll show you how to reset ERPNext on Frappe Cloud. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ERP tips. Start by logging in to your Frappe Cloud dashboard. From there, select the site you want to reset. Make sure it's the right one because this process will erase all your data and return ERPNext to its initial setup. Once you've opened the site, go to the Actions menu and look for the Dangerous Actions section. Here you'll find the option to Reset Site. Click it and you will be asked to type the full name of your site as confirmation. This step ensures the reset isn't done by mistake. After confirming, the reset process begins. It clears your database and restores ERPNext to a fresh state, just like a brand new installation. When it's complete, you will be greeted by the setup wizard, ready to configure your system again from scratch. And that's it, you've successfully reset your ERPNext site. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick ERPNext guides.